Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon roll muffins. They're muffins with the cinnamon sugar filling and a cream cheese glaze drizzled over the top. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a medium bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for about a minute. Then add in the eggs and vanilla extract and beat them in until they're well combined. Then add in about half of the dry ingredients and sour cream, or you can use yogurt, and mix them in by hand until they're just combined. Then add in the rest of the dry ingredients, and again mix them in until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then to make the cinnamon sugar filling, in a small bowl add in the brown sugar, cinnamon, and melted butter, and mix them together until they're combined. Then place it into a plastic bag and spread it down to the corner of the bag. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. Then cut off a small corner of the bag. Then grease a muffin pan with nonstick cooking spray, or you can line it with paper liners. Then scoop a little bit of the muffin batter into the muffin cups. Then bang the pan on the countertop to level them out. Then pipe a swirl of the cinnamon sugar filling on top of each one. Then add more of the muffin batter on top of each one. Then use a knife to spread it out so that it's flat. Then pipe another swirl of the cinnamon sugar filling on top. Then bake them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. You need to place it on top of a baking sheet or aluminum foil so that it catches any drips. While they're baking, you can make the cream cheese glaze. In a small bowl, add the softened cream cheese and beat it using a fork to make it smooth. Then add in the powdered sugar and milk, and beat them really well together until they're combined. And once the muffins are done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then place them onto a large plate and drizzle them with the cream cheese glaze. And that's how to make cinnamon roll muffins. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.